party. They are now with us.
North Shillong MLA Adelbert Nongrum, together with locality leaders and PWD officers, today visited the long round road at Mawlai, Nongmali. The purpose of the visit is to complete the pending road which was started since 2012. Speaking to the media, Adelbert Nongrum acknowledged the former MLA of North Shillong, Roshan Wardri, for taking initiatives for the construction of this road. The reason of the pending road is due to the conflict between the PWD department and the Forest Department, which has rules that require approval from the government, he added.
Kamram jonga ko memali kadai sibanta ruban penpau ke jing songu khamtam ya I former MLA minister I kong Roshan Wardri I bala long ke jing serang hakti ki por kumno ban penurlong ya ni ka jing temu jenek sorok ban pensuk ya ki nong song kai ka daw ko jing slam kalau namar ki bun ki prosedur khamtam ek bai tingkho ka forest bat ka peduli to ka peduli ka khamjam Lega forest part ki bun ki rules and norms ka bang ihaban ban ka permission ka jing bit mbe tanah port street habia switch port central